Hi, I'm Gerald Edwards. I'm in George Stewart's morning physics class, section 1. Today I'm going to be doing a physics podcast on air resistance. The purpose of this project is to show how air resistance plays a factor on any object. But wait, you're going to need some materials. First, you're going to need a piece of paper. Next, you're going to need a book, roughly about the same size as the piece of paper. Let's get to experimenting. Okay, follow me. Basically, today, how the experiment is going to work is we're going to take a piece of paper, we're going to take the textbook, we're going to drop it off of this here balcony. We're going to see how air resistance plays a factor on both objects, one with a heavy mass and one with almost no mass at all. Let's see how it works. Okay, let's see what happens when we drop each object by itself. Look how the piece of paper just drifts down. Okay, now let's see what happens when we drop the book with the piece of paper on top of it. Straight to the ground. Hi, I'm Gerald Edwards, here with my official tutor, Meeks Davis. He's been helping me get through physics. Anyways, to recap the experiment, basically what we did is we dropped a textbook and a piece of paper separately at the same time. The book hit the ground almost instantly and the piece of paper drifted down like a feather. The reason this is because the book had a greater mass, which allowed it to cut through the air a lot faster than the piece of paper. The piece of paper actually had more air exerted on it, which caused it to drift down. It was experiencing a lot of air resistance. So what we did was place the piece of paper on top of the textbook and then drop it at the same height to see what would happen. Basically what would happen is because we decreased the surface area of the piece of paper with the book, the mass of the book allowed the piece of paper to follow behind it and hit the ground at the same speed. My references for this physics podcast was physicsclassroom.com and my official tutor, Meeks Davis. Thanks for listening.